Okay, this is what it looks like from the front. You can see that this is where people get in and out. The driver gets in and out, and it just squishes the foam here. So what I'm going to do is flip this over. We're going to use foam sealant. I'm going to use multi-purpose, great stuff, multi-purpose use for vehicles, automotive, marine. I'm going to use this. We're going to fill in the crack, the crack here. We'll fill this in. And what we've been trying to do is trying to pull out some of this netting here and use it and try to push it into the spray foam so that it gives it a little bit more structure. So what I'll go ahead and first do is actually tape up all this area because the spray foam gets everywhere. I put a cardboard here on the bottom already to protect the bottom surface. So I'll get that done and come back.